on, ladies and gentlemen, and it's your boy Cat Burger, and today we're going to be playing Caseohs Basics. Now let's get started in Caseohs Basics. Can we just say how flat the school bus is? This looks like a kindergartner drew this. Caseohs School. Caseoh wakes up and... Is this actually Boys Basics? I'm getting here, bro. Shoot, Caseoh's about to wake up. Hey, where is Caseoh? I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hold on.
I'm running out. I want to see a jump scare. Is that my boy Freddy? Yo, Case, where your jump scare at? No, that's you. No. No. Only my head is left. I'm not spectating. What if I become Caseoh? So, where are you, Case? Is this Freddy Fazbear? Stop demonstrating me. Why does this have to be? Stop it. Bro's dead. Huh? Gunshippers. Are we all dead? Y'all can run better than... Oh. I feel bad for this ice cream man. Yo, what is that? Is that something from that one game? Lethal Company? Is that from Lethal Company? Yeah, you better run. No. Get away from... What is this school? Who sleeps here? Who said that was delicious? Okay, there's a Lethal Company guy. Whatever happened to the player? There's a player. Oh, what happened to that side of the school? Look at the suns. Are those booty cheeks? Senator Rodriguez has woke up. Lunchables? Help me, I'm stuck and I can't move. That looks like I'm gonna spectate. That was delicious. Treadmill. Run. Where is Caseoh? There he is. Every ruler spank he has is every single patty that he has destroyed. Oh, there's the police officer. No, I broke psyched him. He's in here. See, this guy appreciates me. Look at his shoulder. Look at his Oh. That's not a cat burger. That's a pig burger. I'm pretty sure you're canceled for that. I think we lost. Player Caseoh. Who is gonna be Caseoh? Who's Caseoh? Yo, let's get out of here.
W intro, hold up.
Nah. Get away from me. Nah. Yo, what's good? Huh? Did I just slip a banana? Caseoh, stop making me fall. Let's psych this guy. Psych him. Let's go over here. Sounds more oh, shit. Shoot. Shoot. Run. Like we didn't know that. Your jumping did break the Elgato. Shoot. Shoot. Get away from me, monkey. And Patrick, you're I'm gonna psych you. I think I just psyched them. Hey, get out of my way. Get out of my way, you big fat boy. Grandpa is woken up. I don't like the name Grandpa. I'm stuck. Get away from me, monkey. Shoot. Monkey. Stop throwing banana peels at me. Yo, I'm pretty sure you're canceled for that. Let me pass. Let me pass.
I'm bored.
Like we didn't know. Pool. Pool. We're in the lunchroom. We're officially in the lunchroom. What's here to eat? Yeah, get away from me. Get away from me, Lethal Company guy. Are you bringing me to? Why is there a man with a child? Put me down. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, where are we going? But yeah, okay, so are we speedrunning this? Type 1 in the comments if we think we're speedrunning this. Yeah, what's up, Caseoh? Yeah, I'm sending you back. Later, loser. I'm going through a hospital right now. Patrick, that's the best. Suit. So glad, good. Stop it. Get away from me. I still need to run away. I need to run away. I'm out of here. Hey, what is that doorman doing here? What a rip-off doorman. Oh, what happened to this world? So those weren't butt cheeks. Those are clouds. Dolphins look like butt cheeks. Get away from me. Hey, I'm not ready to die. I don't want to get the detention. I'm pretty sure you're canceled. Are you bringing me to Caseoh? I watch Caseoh a lot, so don't make this a bad experience for me. What? What is a W intro? I've heard him say that line before. Chill. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. This is not real Baldi's Basics. Move out of the way. Doorman. Where are we? Okay. Yo, we're watching Caseoh, boy. Wait. Ow. Yo, where is Caseoh anyways? Get out of me, water lady. Yole! I'm dead. Get away from me, Case is large. I still got 922 seconds until I beat the game. Nobody actually cares. My leg. Get away from me. Get away from me. I hate you. Patrick, let me. I'm pretty sure you're canceled. There he is. Comments, do y'all think I'm gonna beat the game? What if I psych him? Help me. Bye-bye. I'm getting out of here. Hey, get away from me. You're not allowed to leave the school. What if I psych you? Yeah. How about I psych you? Huh? Yeah, you want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me? Bruh. Chill out.
That was delicious. Skip it up and down.
Ow. I ran like 15 million miles away, so there's no way he's near me. Comments. Do y'all think I'm going to survive this at this part of the video?
I'm bored.
Type yes. Pause the video and type yes if you think I'm going to make it. This 816 seconds. I can hear him. Yeah, I survived. Yeah, there he is. Case is following me. Fire eject. I'm gonna psych you again, Case. Dang it, I'm in the gym. Never been to the gym. Shoot. Skip it up, man. This is another fight. Who's the principal of the school? Let me out. This school is cruel. Chill. Are you bringing me to him? You're rigged. Or are you getting him away from me? I'm pretty sure you're... Case's classroom. No. Did I just... The exit. Yeah, I'm gonna psych you again. This is gonna take a long time. Yeah. Distract Case. Or is he running from me? I'm making a break for it. Get out of here, monkey. My leg. How to get faster equipment. Oh, here comes Patrick. Why does Case like to be Patrick and Fall Guys? Let me guess. Heal. Is that him?
That was delicious.
I'm healing. Yo, Case. Yeah, I'm running away from them. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Wait, what if I... Cakes. You know what? Yeah. Stop it. Stop tripping me. You're like the school bully. What's in here? What's in here? did he shotgun?
That was delicious. Skip it up and down.
Yeah, how did he shoot me? Shoot. Wait, what? Oh, whoa. Those were some bullets. Who lets you have bullets in school? We have a bad principal. What are you hiding? Wait, I know what he's hiding. Dang it. I gotta find out what he's hiding. So I'm at, oh. Okay, so I'm gonna psych you. You know what? Take this. Nah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Run, 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 run.
I'm bored.
Nobody actually cares. Rest here. I must rest here until further notice. Go back and replay the video where I actually like juked him. See, I got a plan. Queso is still stuck on that treadmill. Is he still here? Shoot. Follow me. I do not want to get detention. Yeah, I can tell why this is Caseohs school. Are you... Okay. Come out here, Case. I'm gonna psych you again. And I'm gonna get... Oh, you have a big school, but with no roof. How poor. Why would my parents send me here? Yeah, come and get me. I'm over here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. Who caught me? That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.